Guys, what's up? So basically I'm gonna do an unboxing of the new iPhone SE 2, iPhone SE 2020, which just came out as I'm making this video about a week or two ago. So we decided to surprise my dad with the phone. He kind of already heard about it, but we were supposed to be surprised, so I went out with my mom and got him the phone. This was his old phone that I gave him, I brought from Amazon. It's original Google Pixel, and it just keeps like dying, everything turn on. You'll get like a TV screen. Wow, actually make Essie come on. But usually, no, talk too soon. So yeah, yep, there's a TV screen. New phone only works if it's like plugged in. So, we went over there and got a new one. Actually, the great thing that, how we got this is that most stores, like, you only allow a certain amount of people at a time. Like the Sprint store, I'm not sure if other carriers are doing this. I'm guessing they are. But you only allow a certain amount of people in at a time. Like, I think like one person in at a time, or the amount of people that there are workers, like, like maybe like 4 or 5 people in at one time. They only let us like one person at a time. They weren't too busy anyway. So it was just like me and my mom, and then someone else went in, and then they had to be able to get out. But basically, they wouldn't basically sell you a new phone unless your phone like just was not turned on. So this phone was obviously just not turned on. So that is why we actually got the phone. It's full battery. I don't know what's going on with it. So yep, here is the phone, guys. The iPhone SE 2020, and I'm gonna take it on back. We have the 64 gigabyte. It is black. And yeah, so iPhone includes iPhone SE, AirPods. This says iPhone SE. It doesn't even say like the second iPhone SE. Let's see. A satisfying peel. Oh crap. Alright. And then open it up. And there it is. How cool is that? So we have the headphones, the charger, and then behind this, let's put this down for a second. We have the charger, and then the headphones and the head part for the charger. So this is it. How cool is that, guys? So it just looks like the iPhone XR, like the camera wise in the back. I think it's really cool. So you can hold it, turn on. And while this thing is turned on, this is the original iPhone SE. So you see, I think it's the same size as the iPhone 8. You see, it's a little bigger. So that is the old iPhone SE on my left, and the new one's on my right. So it's a little bigger. And I like that you do have the home button, because all right, so it's kind of like the iPhone 8. It's like a cheap, good version of iPhone 8. So you have to go English, side up, United States, manually, Wi-Fi. Activate it. I apologize for the camera being like sideways, just with my case on the back of it. Well, my wallet case is kind of hard to put on my tripod, so it's kind of like lobby. It's kind of like on an angle. All right, continue. We do that later with him. Don't use. You get later. Don't use passcode. Okay, we add that later. And then this is kind of his first iPhone because you got the Google Pixel, which you can't. You could do a transfer, move data from Android. So we go there, and then you have to do something on it. So I'm just gonna tap on don't transfer data, and then you have to make one for him. So tap on here, and then you just do set data settings. Don't use. Just tap on agree to continue. Solve these manually. Go ahead, set that up later with him. Set up later. Don't share. Continue. Should like continue. Not really like that. No, all these things you can adjust yourself. Then continue. Get started. And there we go. So we're in the phone right now. So obviously it just has to create the Apple ID and add a passcode and all that good stuff. So go to settings. Go to general. Go to about. It just says iPhone 13.4. And it says we have 64 gigabytes, 52.65 gigabytes available. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of the unboxing of the iPhone SE2. And yeah, it's a pretty cool phone. You like the home button, and you don't like I said, like it doesn't have the size though. Like the whole point of the iPhone SE was the size, which is a little bigger, like the iPhone 8, but it doesn't have that thick, small, perfect size for your hand. It's a little big, but a little bigger than the iPhone SE, original one, but still, it's a little wider too, and a little more thin. But definitely, I think it's a great phone, and it's cheaper. It's cheap. One of the cheapest iPhones I think we had in a while. It's only $400, which most of them are $1,000 or more, or even $800. $400 for a phone that's a new phone. It's not bad. It's definitely good and good battery life. But thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next one. Peace.